Hi everyone, Tommy from Ariston. Today I'm going to introduce you to the MWA25B. This model was a new addition to our freestanding microwave collection, boasting 8 unique cooking functions, making cooking a breeze. Let's go more detail about the microwave. With a side-hinge door, 25 litre capacity, white enamel coating, quartz grille, dual wave emission system that ensures perfectly crisp results from top to bottom, 11 pre-programmed recipes, as well as an auto clean function. Well, now that you know the microwave in more detail, let's go for each of the functions together. Here we have the microwave function. Following this we have the grill function. Then in turn we have the combination microwave and grill function. Below this we have the bread defrost function, used to defrost your bread without it going soggy. This is then followed by the dynamic crisp function, used in conjunction with your dynamic crisp plate or dynamic cake tin. Following this we have your favourites button, used to store or recall all your favourite recipes. Below this we have your reheat menu. This brings up a list of programs ranging from soup to pizza. This is then followed by the defrost menu. This gives you a choice of categories to choose from, such as poultry or fish. Then we have the chef menu, which has 11 pre-programmed recipes to choose from. Now each of these special categories programs can be found on the inside border of the microwave. Below the display we have the auto clean function. Just use a small ceramic bowl filled with water to help the cleaning process of the enamel surface. To the right of this we have the clock button. This is used to set the correct time. Below here we've got the plus or minus buttons. This is used to cycle through the programs or set a time. In the middle here we have the OK button. This is just used to confirm your settings. Down here we've got the stop button. This is just to stop or reset any cooking programs you've chosen. To the right we have the start button. This is just to start any cooking function, or in turn you can immediately start a microwave function. Let's touch on the accessories together. Microwave cover, great for when you're reheating food to avoid any splatters or mess. Wire rack, this is great for things such as chicken parmesanas or cauliflower gratin. Dynamic crisp plate, this gets up to 200 degrees Celsius, so it's great for things such as crispy skinned pork or Atlantic salmon. Here's the crisping handle to pick up that hot plate. There is an optional accessory, but at an additional cost. The dynamic crisp cake tin cooks beautiful cakes in mere minutes. For any further information about any of these accessories or the microwave itself, please visit aristonbrand.com. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.